Have you ever felt like you're trapped in a cycle of stress, fear, or anxiety? Like life is pulling you in a direction you don't even want to go? That's the power of a pendulum, not a physical one, but an energetic force that controls your thoughts, emotions, and actions without you even realizing it. In reality transurfing, Vadim Zealand explains that pendulums are like invisible forces that feed on our energy. They form when groups of people focus on the same idea, whether it's social trends, political movements, or even personal fears. The more energy you give them, the stronger they grow. And the worst part? They don't care if your energy is positive or negative. As long as you react, they win. So, how do you break free from a pendulum's influence? The answer is simple: lower the importance. The more importance you assign to something, the more fear and anxiety you create around it. Think about it. When you desperately want something, don't you also fear losing it? That's because your energy is tangled in the pendulum's grip. But when you stop caring so much, you take back control. Your fears dissolve, and suddenly, life flows effortlessly. Let's say you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're afraid of failing. That fear means you've given too much importance to success. Instead, start small.
Just focus on creating.
Enjoy the process. The less importance you give to the outcome, the freer you become. The key takeaway?
Detach.
Observe. Let go. Don't fight the pendulum, just walk away. So, the next time you feel trapped in fear or overthinking, ask yourself, am I feeding a pendulum? And if you are, just let it swing without you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's a pendulum you've been stuck in? Let's break free together.